everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on some jewelry that I recently got. I'm really obsessed with these pieces and I want to show you guys the brand. The jewelry I got is from the brand PERRI FOIA and they're really great quality pieces. I'm obsessed with them. This style is right up my alley and what I like to wear all the time. Basically, I just wanted to show you guys the pieces because I've been loving them and I'm so obsessed. And I think this is a great company if you are looking for good quality jewelry without having to spend a ton of money. These pieces are gold plated, so they're still, like I said, the best quality you can get besides like solid gold. So these aren't going to tarnish and they're safe to wear in the water and everything like that. I love gold plated jewelry because, like I said, you're able to get really high quality pieces that look really expensive without them being so much as if it were solid gold. Like you guys will see, all of the pieces that I got look so great and I can't wait to start wearing them and styling them. I think all of the products that I got added up to around $200 or less. I am gonna have a discount code for you guys in the description. If you just use the code PAIGE15, you're gonna get 15% off your order at PERRI FOIA, and this code is good until the end of the year. So I think the 31st is when this code will expire. So if you want to place an order and get some of these amazing pieces, make sure to use my code for a discount. So I'm just gonna go through kind of unboxing the pieces first, and I'm gonna show you how they look on and kind of just how I would wear them and style them. This was the box that they came in. Even from picking this up the first time, you could tell it was so nice, and I love the packaging that they did. It seems really nice and luxurious. Like, it was like so much fun opening the box because it was just like everything was packaged in their little I'll show you their like little bags that they have, but the box is so nice and it just says PERRI FOIA right here, and I love packaging. So that's really important to me, just like branding and when they care about how they're going to present their products and stuff. So opening the box, all of the different pieces were in here and kind of like they're individual little like suede bags that have a little flap and the pieces are inside. So I'm just going to go through all the pieces I got. The first one I'm going to take out. I actually don't know which ones are which right now, but inside here they had another little Ziploc bag. Oh, these are the earrings. This is one of the pairs of earrings I got. They are just gold, like medium-sized hoops. I really like they have this detail on the edge. There's a bunch of little like ridges on it, which I think gives it a nice touch, and it's not just solid all the way around. I love these. I think they're so cute because I wanted some that are kind of in between. These ones I'm wearing right now are kind of like really thick and sometimes heavy. So I wanted some that were a little bit smaller, and these were absolutely perfect. I'm probably gonna wear these like more than any of my other earrings because they're just like a perfect in between. Like I said, you can't go wrong with just the gold details that obviously is really trendy right now, and I've always been into gold jewelry. It's pretty much all I wear. I mean, I like to mix metals. Sometimes I'll add some silver or white gold, but definitely for like statement pieces, I love to do a yellow gold. So I'm going to show you guys what these look like on. I love wearing hoops. I think they're just like the best style earring, especially for my personal taste. They look good with the studs that I have, like my second hole and my cartilage, and I have another little hoop there, so they really tie in all together. And all of these pieces from PERRI FOIA just match really well with the jewelry I already wear, and like my necklaces and my like studs that I never take out. And all of them come with this little tag that has like the item number and stuff. I'll link all the products that I got down below, and these retail for $59. So for gold plated jewelry, that might as well be real gold. That's a really good deal. In the next little package, I think there's another pair of earrings in here. Yeah, these aren't hoops. They're technically studs, but they're like this thick, kind of like a cuff almost. They drop down a little bit, but they're really simple, and I don't have anything like this, so I really wanted to get these. It's in between a stud and like a hoop kind of. It's a little bit bigger than just one that would sit like flat on your ear, and a little bit more of a statement. So I really liked these and something different. It again has some detail and like curving in the gold. I love that I'm gonna get so much use out of these because they aren't gonna tarnish or anything. When I wear jewelry, I like to wear it like all day long and even like days at a time. So I love knowing that I can keep these in and nothing's gonna happen to them. So I'm really excited to wear these. I think these would be really cute with your hair up, either like a ponytail or like up in a claw clip. I love that, and again, it's like so trendy. All of this looks like it came like straight out of my Pinterest board, so I'm really excited to wear these. And also these were $39. Next in the same little package was this ring that I got. It's just a pretty thick band, what is it, herringbone gold ring. I absolutely love it. It looks great with the rest of my rings that I wear every day. I don't have any like thick bands like this, so I thought it would be a perfect addition and one that I can even swap out with my other rings if I want to. I'm so excited to wear this. I love rings, and for the longest time I would get like little packs of cheap ones and they would turn green like a week after wearing them. So having good quality rings is so important because that's when you're washing your hands and always getting them wet. So you want something that's not going to turn. And this was only $35. So to spend that and get such a good quality piece that you can wear forever is so worth it in my opinion. I think I got this in the size 6. The 6 fits pretty well for me. It's a little bit loose, but I don't like having my rings really tight. So I can definitely wear it and it's not gonna like fly off or anything. I love the detail on this. I think it's really pretty and it gives again an extra little texture that just makes it a lot more expensive looking and nice. I'm so excited to wear this. I love rings. I can even stack this with my other ones that I have on my right hand. And the last piece I got actually came in this bigger, longer kind of bag. I love these. They're such good quality. I can even like when I travel I can put the jewelry in these. So it was a really nice touch and obviously made the unboxing experience really great. The last piece I got is this beautiful chain bracelet. It has a little bit of crystally detail on it, which I absolutely love. I was in between this and another bracelet that didn't have the little crystals on it, but I think this is such a cute touch and it's not too like flashy. Obviously when you see this, the gold chain is what you're mostly looking at, but having that little small detail just makes it look so nice in my opinion. I love bracelets like this. I just put it on so you guys can see, but I don't have a ton of bracelets and this one's absolutely perfect. I'm probably gonna wear this every single day. Actually when I go out tonight, I think I'm gonna wear this, the hoop earrings, and the ring. So I'll show you guys what that all looks like together, but I absolutely love this. It's so pretty. I love the like it's kind of in between really chunky and dainty, which I think is a perfect combination. It's so cute and you can adjust it to whatever size you want. You can put it on one of the higher links or the shorter links. It really just looks so nice, and if I saw someone wearing this I would think it was very expensive. And this retailed for $59. It's so cute. I don't want to take it off. I've been waiting to wear these out because I want to film this video first, but I'm so excited that now I get to wear these and I'm definitely going to get a lot of use out of them. Now that I've shown you guys all the pieces, I'm going to take off like the little tags and stuff and film some close-ups for you guys. I'm sure they were already like scattered around this video. I go through my jewelry quite often and get rid of stuff, especially because I do typically buy cheaper, like trendier things that I just want to like rotate a lot. But it's so good to have really like classic pieces like this that are never going to go out of style and also it will last you a lifetime. I love to keep my jewelry collection really minimal, and these are definitely some staples that I'm going to be able to put to use without having a ton of extra jewelry all the time. PERRI FOIA also has some awesome necklaces, the layered kind of like chain link ones. I love those. I just never really switch up my necklaces, and I really wanted to get some more things like bracelets and earrings. I'm looking back again and these are just so unique. I might wear these instead tonight just because they're so like different. I've never had anything like it. I'm just so excited. I love jewelry. It's like one of my favorite things and it's so worth it, like I said, to invest in some really good pieces. Thank you so much to PERRI FOIA for these amazing items, and don't forget to use my code PAIGE15 for 15% off your order until the end of the year. It would be great for Christmas gifts. I actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I might get some stuff for my sister or my mom. That's always a really nice gift and perfect in time for the holidays. I've really been liking doing more of these like fashion and styling related videos, so I'm definitely gonna be making some more in the future. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.